So I'm going to show you the effect of using the Psolo underneath the shoulder blade. So you can see where my my right arm will go to, and my left arm won't. So this is one I've been having trouble with. We got similar range of motion in the back, but coming up, you can see that one keeps going, this one stops. So we're going to take a couple minutes here, and I'm going to sink into the subscapularis. So this is the muscle that lives inside, on the inside of your shoulder blade. And we're going to do a little windshield washer. Oh, yep. So that got me in nice and deep. So you can see I'm shifting the angle of it a little bit here. Oh yeah, there we go. And now I'm basically just going to relax into this. Ooh. And I'm going to use my legs to just push a little bit, so I'm getting a sawing motion. I'm right inside, like if this is the shoulder blade, the tool's right inside here, just sawing back and forth. And this is hard to get into with like a lacrosse ball because the space between, whoop, there we go. The space between the shoulder blade and the rib cage is really too small for the lacrosse ball to get into. So you can kind of get the surface of the muscles, but you can't really get in deep on them. Okay, and now I'm going to shift it so it's perpendicular, and I'm going to put the edge of my shoulder blade right on it. And this is going to get my infraspinatus, teres minor, teres major, and even a little bit of the upper aspect of the connection for the triceps. And again, I'm going to use my body and just walk forward and back. Ooh, that is definitely bound up right in there. There we go. And now I'm walking down onto the bottom aspect here of the shoulder blade. Ooh, doggy. I am definitely feeling why I was having that limited range of motion. So you can see here, I'm just doing a little compression with the shoulder blade. This is basically just bringing my elbow towards my side, pushing it down into the ground. There we go. Okay, that was just a quick little hit. So let's see where we got to before we go on and do the back. Yeah. So, so if you can remember, I was stopping here and I've gotten that range of motion back. And you can see, if you look at my shoulder, you see how much lower it is. It was coming up here before. So that's just, yeah, that was, looks like it was less than 2 minutes. Okay, now we're gonna pop it out, use the bottom side, and I'm gonna take that and get it right in on the outside of the infraspinatus there. I'm gonna use 2 points on the infraspinatus. Ooh, slipped off. Let's get back on there. Cool. Ooh. I'm just going to do these, loosen this up. Oh, I can feel the muscle flipping back and forth. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, I found a trigger point. Ooh. Yep. Oh, that is definitely one of those hurts so good. And it's really nice because the platform of this tool doesn't move around once I find a spot. It's real easy to settle into it. And I'm not trying to have to control it like if I'm using a lacrosse ball or golf ball. Woo. Oh, I needed that this morning. Indeed. Ah. Ah. All right. So, final analysis. Let's see what 4 minutes. Yeah, that's pretty good. Oh, so much better. Yeah. Whoop. Yep, and that goes right back. Might actually be going back further than the other one now, but about the same. All right, so that's using the Psolo to get a little work on the shoulder, get the subscapularis, get the infraspinatus, teres minor, and then go back and get the infraspinatus with the lower area. Great. I'm Neil Solomon. If you want more videos, you want to check out the product or purchase one, psolo.com, solo.com. Hope you're having a wonderful day.